Based on a Flappy Birds game, the idea here is for the hippo to dodge the clouds and the buildings, but to hit the apples. So in this video, I'm not going to walk you through all of the block sequences. I'll just talk briefly about them, and you can use them as a reference. To begin with, an important thing to understand is that I've created a data variable called gravity, and the way that gravity works, particularly in this block of code just here, is that gravity is going to change by -1 with a small weight block just to slow it down a little bit so that the hippo falls to the ground with velocity and gets faster and faster. If I click on the green flag, you'll see the key press that is used to control the hippo is the spacebar, and it sets the gravity back to 4. And a very important block here is that we change y by the current gravity value. This block sequence is very simply just the animation so that it switches between the two costumes and the hippo's wings move, and also a go-to point for the start of the game. The technique for programming the buildings is a little bit different. We could use clones. The important part here is that we're originally going to set x to 250, which is just off the screen. We're going to pick some random sizes so the buildings come out in a little bit of a random way. There are different costumes, so different buildings come out of different heights, and repeating 100, changing -5, gives us a value of 500, which will take us off to the other side at -250. The cloud sprite clone is very similar to the previous project, project 7. There's a few pick random blocks here. The apple is almost identical. The two blocks that I've changed here, though, are the values for pick random weight and pick random size. The scoring system is pretty straightforward. When the green flag is clicked on the hippo, setting the score to 0. When a building is hit, -3. When a cloud is hit, -1. And when the apple is hit, 5 points. When you're making this game, you can make changes to any of the values. Think about setting up a scorer. You might even want to set up a timer, as we did in Project 7. Have fun.